You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 1993, or 44.643. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals -26 and y1 equals 75. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals -14 and y2 equals 32. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -26. x2 equals -14. y1 equals 75. y2 equals 32. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 1993, or 44.643.